Want to create amazing designs without any graphic design skills? Canva is your go-to tool. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to open a Canva account in just 2 minutes. Let's go! First, open your browser and go to www.canva.com. You can also download the Canva app on your phone from the Play Store or App Store. Now that the Canva page is open, let's get started. Click on Sign Up at the top right corner. You'll now see a few easy ways to register. Let's go through them. Sign up with Google. This is the fastest and most convenient option if you're already logged into your Google account. Sign up with email. Want to keep work and personal accounts separate? Use your email to create a new Canva account. Other sign-up methods. Here, I see sign up with Apple, but depending on your browser or device, you might also see options like Facebook or Microsoft. Choose the easiest method for you, pick your preferred option, and let's move to the next step. A pop-up appears asking me to choose a Google account. If you're already signed into Google, just click your account. If not, enter your email and password. Once you select your Google account, Canva will ask for permission to connect. Click Allow and you're in. That's it. Now you've successfully signed up for Canva. Now that you're signed in, let's start designing. Canva gives you tons of templates to choose from, making it super easy to create anything. Here are some popular options you can start with. Docs, perfect for notes, reports, or resumes. Whiteboards, great for brainstorming and visual planning. Presentations, create stunning slideshows effortlessly. Social media, design Instagram posts, Facebook covers, and YouTube thumbnails in seconds. Videos, make short clips, reels, and animations right inside Canva. Printables, design flyers, posters, and business cards for print. Websites, even create one-page websites with no coding. Want full control over your design? Click Custom Size, enter your width and height, and start with a blank canvas. Now, you can upload your photos, videos, or audio to insert into your design. You are ready to start designing, either by using templates or by creating your own. Stay tuned for our next Canva study session coming soon.